Hey guys, it's Nate here with Valera 3D, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3D models with any drone. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is figure out what area you're going to want a 3D model or object. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick one area or one object. You're going to put your drone up in the air, and to 3D model it, what you're going to want to do is take a video or pictures in an orbit around the object. So basically just a big circle around it. Keeping the object or area in the center of the frame is important. Phase 2. You have your video. Now what do you do with it? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to go to lumaai.com on any web browser, and you're going to create an account, and you're going to upload your video, and you're going to train a Gaussian splat. Alright, and then once your 3D model is done training, you can go take a look at it, share it with friends. You can download it and import it into other projects, and you can also put it on things like your website. So it's pretty cool, pretty versatile.